3 reasons why you should never file your own appeal under your group long-term disability plan. I'm John Tucker, a disability attorney, and I represent people like you all across the country. Most people don't realize when they have group long-term disability coverage through work that it's covered by a federal law called ERISA. That stands for the Employee Retirement Income Security Act. There are special rules that apply to ERISA group claims, and I want to talk with you about 3 things that are important for you to know to help you understand why having an experienced ERISA attorney will help you. First, ERISA requires that you put all of your evidence into the claim file during the initial claim or the appeal. You're not allowed to introduce any evidence if your appeal is denied and you go to court. What that means is if you don't get all of the evidence into that insurance company's claim file before the final decision on your claim appeal, you will never be allowed to introduce more proof that you're disabled. Second, don't just write an appeal letter to the insurance company. They're going to tell you you have 180 days to appeal. A lot of people will just turn around and write a letter, very briefly, 1 or 2 sentences that says, "I appeal, you got it wrong." Remember what I said in my first point. If you don't have all of the evidence into that claim file before the appeal is decided, you're going to lose. And if on the appeal you don't send them any new evidence to try to overturn their decision, and I mean more than just medical records, they're just going to turn around and say they were right, because the appeal goes right back to the same people that decided the case to begin with. Third, when you're denied, as I said, if you go to court, you don't get to introduce new evidence. Well, you probably don't know what types of things need to go in that claim file. As much as you may know about your condition and as many of the problems you may be able to explain for hours and hours on end, there's other types of evidence that's crucial to winning a disability claim. You may need expert reports. You might need certain kinds of testing that can prove the limitations and restrictions that you have. You might need witness statements specifying certain things. Well, an experienced ERISA attorney, one that's handled hundreds, thousands of claims, can pay off for you. If you need to appeal your ERISA group disability plan denial, call me at the number on your screen. I help people like you every day. I'm John Tucker. Thanks for watching.